Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today I'm going to be taking a look at the rear end. Got this new UMI sway bar. It's like a 1/4 inch thicker than the stock one. And then I also got these Summit Racing drag shocks that are adjustable. So gonna try and put these on today. I don't know, I'm gonna look at it first, get it jacked up, put some jack stands under it, take a look around. For those that don't know, I have a Ford 9-inch in the 79 Monte Carlo. It's a G-body, so I'm gonna see what it looks like. I was putting the shocks up to this just to see what we'll be dealing with, but that's the old rear end, so it's not exactly what's in the car. Anyway, I'm gonna pull the jack out there and get things started. Check in with you. Alright, got all this set up. Got some jack stands. Got the jack on the rear end, just for an extra measure of safety. I'm gonna look at this, pull the sway bar off right here and check that out and see if it matches up to the new one, and then it looks like it should be fairly easy. Looks like we got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts over there. The other one looks like it's basically the same shape, so we shall see. The shocks right here, it's got the AutoZone special looking wannabe coilover, so we'll see if the other ones I have fit up any good to it. I'm gonna eventually swap out these springs and the upper lower control arms too. So if that kind of stuff interests you, consider checking out whatever content I have. But I'm gonna grab some tools and then probably pull off this sway bar, see what she looks like compared to the other one.
Luckily, I got that started pretty easily, so. Got a wrench on the back of it over here.
Alright, just beat on it. we go. All four out. Oh, there goes the sway bar. You can tell just by holding it in my hands that it's definitely thinning. Let's get this 40-year-old greasy piece of trash out of here. Alright. Throw it on the table there. I'm going to clean my hands. Apparently, that is very dirty. And go grab the other one. Alright. Alright, so, yep, there's the old one. If you can see it. Here's a new. This one is 1 inch thick in diameter. I don't know if you can tell that well, but it is much thicker than this little guy. Powder coated. Looks like it is slightly adjustable right there. All supplied with new hardware and everything. It looks pretty close, so hopefully it just slides right in. We'll find out. Might have to remove the jack from under the differential, but we'll see. I'm gonna try and clean up the area down there and then slide it in place, see how that goes. Alright, well, this will be my first attempt at getting it in here, so let's see how it goes. You get a bolt and a washer and come through the back if I can. Okay, I got one right there. Let's go ahead and get this guy right there. Get this guy right here. Okay, one down. Not so bad, not so bad. Let's get this guy like this, mate. There you go. I don't know how well you guys can even see what I'm doing here, but let's try that maybe. Pull this guy down. Let's have this over here. Maybe try and get the back one in first. I don't know. We'll see. Ow. Fell on my head. Alright, so as you can see, I got those two bolts in. And I'm able to get this guy in, but this one is being a little stubborn. Seems like this piece needs to come down just a little bit for the bolt to get through, but tapped it with a hammer a few times and I think I'm making some progress, so hopefully after a few more whacks and moving around I'll get it in there. Until then, I'll see you. Oh, after much struggle and defeat and swear words, I finally got it in there. I don't know if I just didn't make this diameter here big enough or what, but I ended up grinding a little bit of it out and was able to get every other bolt in there. And then had to use the vice grips to even pull it down enough. I thought this little pad for the rear end was maybe catching on something, but as you can see, it's in there and it's not rubbing or touching or anything, so it's in there. I just need to put the washers and nuts on all of it, torque it up, and see how it goes. Do a little checkup. installed. 1-inch thick UMI sway bar. It's a 1/4 inch thicker than the stock one. And this nice powder coated thing, so cool. Alright, well, I don't know if I'm gonna do the shocks today or not. If I have to take this bolt out this way, then I'm gonna have to take the wheel and the brake drum and possibly the backing plate off. I'm not sure. There's also a bolt right here, so I'm wondering if I could disconnect that, slide this whole shock mount over so I can take that bolt out easy. But I'm kind of running out of time for today, so I guess that's just gonna be it right now. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. We'll check in.